Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Toys! Today we're going to turn these Play-Doh popsicles into surprise toys. Let's start by checking out each popsicle. Here's a red popsicle. Here's an orange popsicle. Here's a yellow popsicle. Here's a green popsicle. Here's a blue popsicle. And here's a purple popsicle. In order to make the surprise toys, we have to turn the popsicles into noodles. Let's use this pig noodle machine. Start with the red popsicle. Insert the dough right here. Okay, so the noodles will come out from the pig's snout. Put a bowl right here, and let's twist the pig's tail. Whoa, check it out! Isn't this super cool? Awesome! We got a bunch of red noodles. Now let's put these noodles in the magic microwave. We should be able to get surprise toys very soon. Yes! The red noodles turned into a red surprise egg. Oh, check out all these surprise toys. Our first surprise is Bullworth from Puppy Dog Pals. Oh, another Puppy Dog Pals character. It's Cupcake. And here's a Thomas and Friends surprise toy. We got Shane. Now let's turn this orange popsicle into noodles. Follow the same steps as before. Okay, here we go. Cut it right here. Awesome! We have a bowl of orange noodles now. Let's put the noodles in the magic microwave. Check it out! We got an orange surprise egg. Let's open it up. Here's a Hermione Granger Mash'ems. Here's Rolly from the Puppy Dog Pals. And here's Jessie from Toy Story. Moving on. Now let's make yellow noodles. This will only take a minute. Place the bowl right here. We can cut it right here. Nice! We have a bowl of yellow noodles now. Let's make more surprises. Yes! Thank you, Magic Microwave. We got a yellow surprise egg. Let's crack this open. Looks like we have to put all these pieces together. We got a Roblox figure. Give me a minute. Check it out. We got White Collar Dog. Now let's make some green noodles. Here we go. Cut it right here. Perfect! Here's a bowl of green noodles. Let's see what the bowl of green noodles turns into. Awesome! We got a green surprise egg. Open this up. Here's a Minecraft minifigure. It's a rare guardian with treasure. Here's Bingo from the Puppy Dog Pals. And here's a Smooshy Mushy toy. It's Pita Petite. Now let's make some blue noodles. Put a bowl right here. It's noodle time. Shot right here. Perfect! Check out these blue noodles. Now let's turn these noodles into surprise toys. Yes! We got a blue surprise egg. Check it out! We got Ariel! Here's another Minecraft figure. It's Alex with the channeling trident. And here's a Moj Moj mouse surprise toy. And if you squeeze this, a mini surprise pops out. Let's make our last bowl using this purple popsicle. Here's the last bowl. Noodles, come on out. That should be enough. Awesome! Here's a bowl of purple noodles. Let's see what our final surprise toys are. Nice! They're inside this purple surprise egg. Whoops! We'll check that out later. Here's a Littlest Pet Shop surprise toy. Look at this cute red bird. And this yellow bird cage is pretty awesome. And here's our last surprise toy. It's Gecko doing a handstand. If you want to watch more surprise toys being opened, be sure to click that subscribe button. See ya!